Hey guys, welcome back to Do It at a Dime with Kathryn. Today I'm sharing with you 10 super scores from Dollar Tree for spring. And this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Spring is my favorite season at Dollar Tree because they have brand new organizing containers. You saw some of my favorites in a recent video, and I just scored these, which are so similar to what you'd find at Target. They're great in pantries and in offices. I just love them. And these ones are 2 for $1. I've been saying for years I wanted Dollar Tree to carry quality foliage, and they finally are. These are so beautiful. They have ferns and these little branches, and they make a great filler for projects. I love these lamb's ear bouquets, and this one is brand new this year. And of course, you can go to the crafters corner and you can get the mini wood crates. I did this in one of my Christmas videos, and I stained them a dark walnut color. Put some craft foam inside and you can create a beautiful centerpiece display for under $10 that you would probably pay $75 from Pottery Barn. When I'm shopping in Dollar Tree, I like to mimic high-end looks on a dime. These lavender terracotta pots are $40. We're gonna make it ourselves. Oh my gosh, look at when you take the little pink things out, I think it looks even more like the Pottery Barn inspiration. A brand new find this year are these bunnies. They have these really large ones and these mini ones. These are really easy to give a quick coat of paint to, and they look so high-end on a budget. Well, I love how when you paint this, it starts to look like stone. That's awesome. That's the exact texture I wanted. Now this comes in a garland. You get a ton for $1, but you can just pick your favorite colors out and glue this right onto a pillowcase. This is such a great way to decorate for Easter. A new find this year, at least new to me, are these little egg grass sprigs, and I just love them. These would be really cute in a vase all by itself, or you can lay these one on top of the other to create a wreath. How gorgeous is this? I was so excited that they finally had new candlesticks. I've been waiting for my store to get these, and a fabulous Pottery Barn trick is to take 2 of these and glue them together for a pillar look. How much would you pay for this at Hobby Lobby or Pottery Barn? Probably a lot more, and the quality is great. Every year, the Dollar Tree carries these speckled eggs, and these are so fun to work with. If you want to glue this onto a boxwood ball or even onto a wreath form, these are such fast DIYs that I have done over the years. Signs this year are so cute. I just love them, especially the truck signs. They have tons of options, and the DIY possibilities are endless. Be sure to keep your eyes peeled for the Easter baskets. Lots of them make beautiful organizing containers. This die cut option comes back every year, and it's one of my favorite staples. I also love these gorgeous felt little trucks. This is brand new, and a favorite hack is to take Dollar Tree Deco Mesh. I love this frosted one this year, and use this in place of Easter grass because ain't nobody got time for that mess. If you love crafting and DIYs, definitely check out the tool section of the Dollar Tree. They've really stepped it up with sandpaper and paintbrushes. And this year I even picked up this little level and sanding block. I always keep these on hand in my craft room. And I'm so grateful for today's sponsor, Skillshare, because it is the best online learning community taught by experts if you're looking to get your DIY or your craft on. Skillshare has thousands of courses for creatives without a lot of time and working with a small budget. They have interior design classes, watercolor classes, tons of tutorials for Photoshop, increasing your following, or even video editing. And what's even better, the first 1,000 people get to try Skillshare Premium absolutely free if you click the link in my description box below. If you buy the year subscription, it's less than $10 a month, and I have learned so much. One of my personal favorites is Danielle Koch. I just love her in general, and she has a great class on graphic design and speaking through art, which I find so inspiring. No matter what you're looking to do, Skillshare is such a great place to check out. Man, am I so grateful you are here today. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up. If nobody has told you, you are enough, and I will catch you guys soon. See you there. Bye.
Do you like those?